Good morning, everyone. Let me start by introducing myself. I'm Carl Ashman, and I'm a teacher of healthcare and nursing at Toulon College in Ada, the Netherlands. And in my description of this case study, I've included a link to the website ThingLink. ThingLink is a Finnish American company that allows you to create templates in which you can add all forms of media in an internet application. And what I've done in my case studies, I've taken a patient with a serious allergic reaction to shellfish, and I've created a lifelike situation whereby the students need to gather information, and they can listen to breath sounds, they can see videos with extra information about certain physiological principles, and they can then together in groups work on the case and decide which their diagnosis would be appropriate and what one needs to do to solve the problem. Great application to use. It's very simple, very easy, very slick, and actually really the only limitation would be your own imagination, I would have thought. So hopefully this, take a look, and hopefully this has inspired you to go out there and discover the almost limitless possibilities of the internet in your teaching practice. Good luck.